Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little off-grid sneaker repair. Let's say we got all these preppers that worried about supplies and stuff. Okay, so today I'm going to demonstrate how to repair sneakers. Maybe you found in the dump, you got to have some shoes. Okay? Okay, so this one I've already done. This one I've already done. What I did was I heated it up and just put some hot glue around here. Repair the bottom a little bit, so I'm going to show you how I did it. I take this, I'm going to sand it down a little bit with some sandpaper to prep it up so the glue will stick better. Get in there as far back as you can. Okay. You might even go back farther. Okay. And then I'm using this Walmart. You get a whole package, fairly cheap. Gorilla Glue. Problem is, I got this extra hot gun, but these are not the long ones. So what you got to do is when it gets short, is stick one in here. Okay, because it's not real long. All right. So after this has been turned on a while and it's hot, okay, we can start gluing. Just going to start putting as much. I'm going to put quite a bit of glue in here because this stuff's not real expensive. And when it gets like that, you just put another stick in and kind of squeeze it a little bit to catch it. And I want to glue up around here good. Kind of work as fast as you can because this stuff sets up when it gets cold, when it gets room temperature. Got my hand there already, but it burnt it. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of glue in. I'm not really going as fast as I would like to, but this is the idea that I'm doing. And maybe the power went off or something. There he goes. So make sure you try to make sure this is liquid. Touch the tip of it with the glue again, or put some real hot glue over that part that's already dry, so it's hot. It's liquid. Whew. It's liquid before you try to seal it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this that part down. Okay, and then as you can see, I'm just what I'm doing. I'm just putting this in here like this. It's not rocket science. And then when that gets short, just put you a new piece in there so it will catch. Keep going. That's what I'm doing. What I'm going to do here, it's not even plastic there no more. It's just some fabric. Okay. So you can see I'm getting plenty of glue in there. See that? Whew, it's hot. Don't burn yourself when doing this. Okay, so now I'm just going to kind of hold it there for a little bit, and the good thing about this hot glue gun is this stuff sets up here pretty quick. You don't have to hold it for an hour or 2 hours. It sets up in basically pretty quick, and make sure you press down in there good. Kind of make sure that's on there good. Best you can. What I'll do is I'll go like that with it. don't burn yourself with this stuff. If you touch that glue while it's liquid, it'll burn you. Okay, so now I got that done, I'm going to just come around here. Like that. Take my brush and go like this. You see I'm putting plenty of glue on there, boy. Try to make sure everything is at least touching each other. And you can even kind of beef it up a little bit. Go in the cracks. Okay. Now if I didn't get it, say it comes apart or something, then I just come back out here with the gun and redo it. Okay, but now I'm gonna see how it's coming apart here. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more hot glue on that, and go like that. Fill that in a little bit. It's wearing out here. I could, if I wanted to, go over this, you know, like so. Give it some more material in that bond, see where it's wore out. Smooth it out there. See that got some dry part on there, too much dry. But just sometimes these things, sometimes it'll gog up like that with a big piece, and it's like, well, since I'm doing it, I might as well do it right. I mean, okay, so here you have it. And we got, it doesn't look the best, but at least it's a lot more functional than what it was. Okay, see, I put too much on right here, so I mean, no big deal. Yeah, let's see. See, I got it sealed in there, round up in there. Right here, maybe make it a little better connection. I'm going to heat it up a little bit. I'm just going to put that hot end of that where I had it before, just on this end. Kind of melt it, maybe put a little bit more glue. Some hot glue to melt that existing glue. And I'm going to just smooth it out a little bit. And this looks like a better seam to me there. Okay. And so this is the one I did earlier. You can see up here there was really no plastic here. I just went over it with this hot glue stuff to kind of put like a coat of plastic on it.